Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to embed a board into a doc on monday.com. First, open the monday.com in your web browser. Open the desired document or click on the plus icon and select New Doc. Then add a name to your doc file. Within the document, look for the option to embed content. Type a backslash and from the list that appears, click on Board. You will need to scroll down a bit to find this option. This will open a dialog or prompt where you can select the board you want to embed. In the Embed dialog, you will see a list of available boards. Select the board you want to embed into the document. Depending on the platform and settings, you may have options to adjust the size, layout, or other settings of the embedded board. Make any necessary adjustments to the embed settings based on your preferences. Once done, save your changes to the document. The embedded board should now be visible within the document, allowing viewers to interact with it directly. Thank you everyone for watching. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment down below. See you in the next one.